radicals and surds. We are the top. We're gonna discuss about the radicals and surds. Already we knew about this, so many things. I'm a little bit things. The one who revised, who know that. Okay. Otherwise, most of you don't know that. Okay. Let's go. So today we have the topic radicals and surds. Right on. Right on. Okay. Look at the board. Try to understand that. So radical is denoted by this radical symbol. This is called radical symbol, right now? This is called radical symbol. Okay, radical is denoted by this symbol. This is called radical. What is it?
He is spreading the crops of his own also and his also.
So radical is denoted by this symbol, right now? For the radical, we must have the radical symbol. For the radical, so this is called radical symbol, right now? Okay, try to understand that. Try to understand that. Radicals can be rational and irrational. One more time. It means one more time. The result will be either rational and irrational. One more time, guys. So guys, if I'll say well radical can be rational and irrational, what is the meaning of this one? Here it wants to say that the result of the radical and it will be the either rational and one more time, guys. Rational and irrational. One more time. So guys, I wanna say now that it means the results will be either rational and irrational. Try to understand everything. Try to understand now. What I want to say now? Look at the board. For example, if I'll say square root of 25. Square root of 25. What does it mean? What will you get, guys?
5. It is a
5.
rational number.
So I can say 5 is a rational number.
Yes, sir.
What will you say about the 5?
Yes, sir, 5 is a
You will say it is a rational number. It is a
rational number.
rational number. But it is a that's all. The result. Now you can see that root 25. Root 25 is a radical, and the result of this one we get 5, and 5 it is a rational number. And the fourth number, if I'll discuss about that, square root of 27. Square root of 27. We will get the approximate value of this one. We'll get the approximate value of this one. 5 point. We will get something like square root of 25. What will you get, guys? 5 point something. Right now. Tell me now. Huh? Let's assume I'm gonna write here the approximate value. 5 square root of 25 more than 25 na day. 27 more than 25? More than 25. So we will get approximately. Let's assume I will get 5.19. Okay, approximate I have written, right? So guys, now you can see there. Now when I have written the approximate, it means it does not stop here.
Yes, sir.
I cannot write day. Because irrational number now. Irrational number, the result of the irrational number does not stops. It goes on forever. It goes on. Non-terminating and repeating. Thank you for helping me. Okay, so that's why I have written here the approximate value, right? Now it is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. Irrational number. Understood the point? So radicals can be the result of the radicals can be the rational and the one more time. The result of the radical cell can be rational and rational. I hope you understood that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to understand the fifth number point. Sir, radicals. One more time. Radicals are also known as radical expressions. Radical expressions. One more time. Sir, radicals also are called radical expressions. One more time. It is. I can call this one. Radical expression. One more time. One more time. One more time. Just go and call him. Over the law. Boss, you can go. Sit down. Give me water. Don't ask me the question now. What can we learn something more? Point number 6. Okay, try to understand now. Try to understand now. Try to understand. So somebody writes, for example, somebody writes x nth root of x. One more time. What do you call this one? What is the mean of the nth root? What is the value of the n here? A value of the n here can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, anything. Well, I can put anything whatever I want. Okay, there's some condition, rare conditions we have to discuss, some exception condition we have to discuss. But right now, value of the n can be anything whatever I want to put. Okay, whatever I want to put. Try and understand now. Well, now in this time, you will say x is called the radical. Speak. And is called order of the radical. One more time. Or we can say order of the surd. Or simply we can say index of the surd. Understand three different parts that we can discuss about the and now what we can say order of this radical. I mean this radical form. There's a radical form. What do you call the inside of the number that is written inside the number? It is called radicand, right on? The inside of the number is called radicand. X is called radical. I can put any number here. I can put the. Tell me now, yaar. What about the n? What is the special name of the n? What is the special name? What can we say something about the n now? We can say sir order of the radical. Now this is radical form and it's called order of the radical. Second and order of the surd. I mean now because we're gonna study very soon. Root 27 is a surd, but root 25 is a radical. One more time. Root 27 is a surd, but root 25 is a radical. But both are radicals, but this is called surd, this is called radical. What is called surd? Because the result of the surd will be always irrational. One more time. The result of the surd it will be always irrational. That's why I assumed here it is a radical. But if I put the 17 here, value of the x 17 here, it will be surd. Root 17. One more time, what I'm saying. So that's why I've written about the three different things. Order of the radical. I mean this is a radical, so I can say the order of the radical. But actually, the actual name written in the book, order of the surd. In your book, it is written order of the surd. Everybody, text out now. Take on after the Lambo. Perhaps you can see there. Page number. I added you. Read out. Or also we can say angular part of the sine. Angular part of the sine. I mean in this time it is called and is also called the angular part of the sine. One more time. Page number 82. You can read out the radicals. Radicals written there somewhere. Radicals, read out about this one. You can get something. Page number 82. Read out, everybody. Try to read. Yasir, put a hand there. You cannot start it like this way. Keep watching. Sir, what should I call the n? What should I call the n? Directly call order of the. This is the actual name discussed in the book. Actual name, or we can say the most beautiful name discussed in the book. Order of the surd. Have you studied? Huh? And also one of the three angular part of the sine. This is called angular part. I don't know why it is called angular part, but I cannot define here. Angular part. It is related to the angle. I cannot define here, but keep in the mind, okay? Angular part. N is the angular part of the sine. Whatever the sign we have now. Whatever sign we have. Now that's the angular part of the sine. But also sometimes we say order of the surd, order index of the surd. For example, value of the n equal to 4. For example, I put the 4 here. Then you will write the index equal to 4. What I'm saying now? Let me tell you what I'm saying now. I'm just telling you. Telling you. For example, fourth root of 7. It is called fourth root of 7. Yes, so here I can say that n equal to 4. I can say that. Yes, because in the place of the n, I put what? I put the 4. In the place of the n, what I put? 4. So I can say 4 is called index of the surd. One more time, guys. Index of the surd. Can I say index of the surd? Tell me now. I can call 4 is the what is the 4 here? I can say the index of the surd. Or if you want, you can call order of the surd. Can I call order of the surd. One more time, guys. Order of the surd. Why should I call the order of the surd? Because you know about that. You know why do I call? Why did I call the surd? Because the fourth root of 7, it will be the rational or irrational. Guaranteed irrational. Why is it? Because fourth root of 7, there's not an exact value you can pull out from there. But you cannot break the 7 four times. It will be surd. Even it is a radical. Surd is the part of the radical, but radical is not a part of the surd. One more time. Surd is the part of the radical, but radical is not a part of the. All the radicals are called surd, but all the surds are called radical, but all the radicals are not called. Because surd only defined by when the result is irrational. When the result is. One more time, Nayar. One more time. When the result is irrational, then we can call this one. Sir, I hope you understood that.
Yes, sir.
Tell me now.
Yes, sir.
Let me discuss one more time. What we are discussing now? What we are. Sign means like you can say there's a sign here. There is a. All the description. These are descriptions of the. All one should description is it is question number part 7. Angular part like this part. This is called angular part. Yeah, and is the angular part. Angular part. That's what I've written. You can see there now about that. I've written about that now. And what is the n? N is the order of the radical, or we can say order of the surd. This is the most beautiful. That's why I'm gonna make a rectangle around it. This is the most beautiful definition of a most beautiful line all about the n. Now we can study. That is n is the order of the surd. I mean, this time we are assuming this. It can be surd. It can be radical as well. But right now, I'm talking now this time. Let's assume I'll take the value 7. If I'll put the value x equal to 7, then it will be the surd. So I can say now about the n. What can I say? Index of the surd. Now, index of the surd. N is the index of the surd. Come on. So now, angular part. Now, in this time, all then I can see the sign there. What is the sign? Sign means some picture. When I say the word sign, what does it mean of this one? It's a picture. For example, if you want to cross the road, there's some symbol like arrow type symbol, sign. Go in direction. For example, you want to go the MK hospital, okay? And some sign is marking there, okay? For example, if you want to go the Rabia hospital, girls hostel, we can say. There's some signs are there. Some pictures are there, right? Marking the arrow. You have to go in the direction. Then you'll go to the Rabia hospital, okay? I can saw it is hospital. It's not a girls' hostel. It is hospital. Let's go. So now in this time, x equal to radical. The inside of the number that is called radical. And what is the n here? N is the order of the radical or order of the surd, index of the surd, and angular part of the sign. I hope you understood that. Tell me about the n. Read out quickly. Now let's discuss some most important point about the radical. About the radical. Let's go. Now understand it. Keep watching the board. Even speak. Negative values shows negative values are radicals. Sir, what you're talking about? One more time. What you're talking about? Let's go. Don't worry, guys. Add number. Even. Let me just write here. I can copy. Nth root of x. What is that? Nth root of x. Speak. Even. Negative values of x are radicals. So now even negative values of x are radicals. One more time. What does it mean that? For example, if I'll say fourth root of -5, fourth root of are radicals. Value of the x I'm talking about. Value of the, even negative value, even means not. I'm not talking about even 2, 4, 6. In fact, what is the epsilon in fact? In fact, negative values of x, negative values of x Negative values of x. One more time. In fact, negative values of x, because you want to sleep, I think, in the class. No, your eye says that. That's why. In fact, negative values of x are radicals. It means I can say fourth root of negative 5. One more time. Are radicals. Let me tell you. For example, square root of negative 6. Radicals. Cube root of minus 70. Minus 70. As we know about that, these values are not the real values. These are the imaginary values. These are the. But can I call this one now? If the positive and negative. When I put the positive number, radicals. Positive number, radicals. Even the negative numbers exist inside of the root, inside of the radical symbol, are called radicals as well. Do you feel me?
Square root of minus 16. And it's a radical.
Square root? Yeah.
The result of the radicals will be rational, and rational is real number. But here in this case, we are using the imaginary number.
So you are saying that it is not the rational and irrational. When it is not rational and irrational, how can because radicals like can be.
Rational and irrational.
Very good question she is asking. Right now, very good. Right now we are talking about the radicals. Listen, very good question. She is asking that, sir, you just the first line, second line you are talking about. The result radical can be rational and irrational. It means the result will be either rational or irrational. But the result of this one will not be rational or irrational. It will be an imaginary number. It will be an. So how can I call this one? These are radicals. The first question. Perhaps in this class right now, we are operating with the radicals with a positive number only. Try to understand what I'm saying now. Perhaps some other definition of some higher mathematics about the radical we'll study later. That thing we don't know right now. Let me tell you what I'm saying. It is not written right now. I'm not joking. Take out your page number 82, 83, 83. 3 number 1, 2, 3. Examples are given 3 number. Cube root of minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Fifth root of minus 64. Seventh root of minus 128. Are radicals. Can you see there?
Yes.
Read out. Read out the whole line. Read out. Read out. Now it is written there. Some higher class will study. But again, do you feel me what I'm saying now? We'll study about this one. We'll in the higher classes. That's why it is written there. We'll uploading these numbers in the higher classes. It is written there about the radicals. That's why I wrote there. Perhaps not because of the radical symbol. I don't know what is the result. Okay, the result maybe the result will be.
Then it's written that if x is less than 0, then it will have any real value.
No trying.
X is less than 0.
Less than 0. Yeah. What does it mean that? You want to understand? Yeah. Look at the fifth root of minus. Minus, for example, I have 8. Okay. So these are called radicals as well. Even the negative values of the x. One more time. In fact, negative values of x are radicals. I mean, these are called radicals as well. But I didn't want to discuss this point. Let me tell you now. Because I knew that somebody can ask me the question. The result of the radicals will be either rational and irrational. Because it is written there. And somebody will study, not all of you. And will ask me the later. Will ask me the question later. What is there? Why it is written there? That's why I didn't want to show this point. Because the result of this one will not be the rational number or irrational number. And the result of this one will not be rational or irrational, but it will be the irrational number. Because negative values are not possible inside of the root. And so the radical not possible. But it is written in the book, that's why I discussed. Otherwise, I didn't want to discuss. If I skip this number, somebody would have asked the question later. The one who studies, the one who is revised, the one who studies the book. I'm not talking about all of you. I'm not talking about all of you. I'm talking about someone could have asked the question this one. That's why I discussed. No need to discuss. Put the star marks there. No one need to discuss. Star marks saying that no one need to discuss. One more time. No need to be discussed in the class. Case closed.
And the root minus 16.
Yeah.
What will come out?
Four will come out. Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's right. Good question. Yeah, yeah, good. Yeah, going good. Remember, minus section. No, I don't want track. Yeah, you're talking nonsense. That's why. Now, if I just wrote a minus section, I'll just write a minus 4 or plus 4 if I just write that. You're nonsense. Because it cannot be. 9 number. Let's go.
Under minus.
Surd is the part of. By our focus today, surd. Surd is the part of. One more time. One more time. So our focus is their surd today. One more time. The whole questions are given there in this chapter. The chapter we're gonna study. The whole chapter focus on the surd. Focus on the. So we're gonna discuss from here our journey, or we can say our picture started from here. All these are tailored about the. This one we're gonna start now the picture. Okay, the picture started from here about the surd. Okay. Do you feel me what I'm saying now? Now all the operating things we'll discuss about the surd tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Today we'll discuss. Okay. Before that, you should copy everything on the board. Copy now. The other one. It's okay.